What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited today, man. Today is new wheel day. So today we're going to be putting on some new wheels on my BMW 128i E82 chassis, and I'm very excited. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys exactly what we're going to do, and the tools that you will probably need if you decide to do this in your own garage. But I'm super stoked, man. I really like these wheels. I think they really complement the car. As far as sizing, we're going to be going with, in the front, 18 by 8.5, and then in the rear it's going to be 18 by 9.5. And then for tires, we're going to be going on the front 225 40 18, and on the rear it's going to be 265 35 18. So hopefully there's no rubbing, or if there is, it's minimal, and we could get this puppy rolling, man. So like I said, I'm super excited, guys. Let's go.
Alright, so to go ahead and get the wheels installed, you're going to need some type of impact wrench. I'm using the Avid Power, and the attachment is a 17 millimeter for the BMW, and they have a lug pattern of, I want to say it's like by 5 by 120. But this in a pack, this comes with a couple of these attachments, so you'll just figure out which one fits your wheel and you can start the work. And the next thing you're going to need is a heavy duty jack. I would recommend the one that's here. When I started doing the install, I had a 2-ton jack with a little tiny handle, and it didn't work out. So this one's more heavy duty. This is a 3-ton, and I had no problem knocking out the rest of the install. The first jack I got through the first wheel, and then after that it started failing. So went ahead and returned that one and swapped it out and got this one.
All right, so I got these wheels from Fitment Industries. You can actually buy them online from Fitment Industries, and they'll package everything. So the wheels come, wrapped in plastic, protected by foam, and then the protection is reinforced by circular cardboard. They install the TPMS sensors, they align and balance the wheels, and they send you the paperwork here that shows that. They also include some stickers, if you want to put them on your car or whatever. And then they also have some instructions here. All right, now it did come with its own lugs, but they were just like generic lugs. So I guess I have to get like some new lugs with I guess probably like a key or something, because these are just basic lugs. You could just take them off with anything. This is the second set that I bought, set of wheels that I bought from Fitment Industries. The first one was for my my F22 BMW, and that one came again with the TPMS sensors, wheels. I didn't get tires from them, and lugs, and that lug had like a key, like a secure system. This one doesn't, so I'm definitely going to change the lugs. The car doesn't really sleep outside. It sleeps in my garage, and I live in a moderately decent neighborhood. So, but you never know. You might go to a mall or something like that and come back, and your wheels are gone. So, I definitely want to try and at least put on some secure lugs. As far as the purchasing process from Fitment Industries, it was pretty cool. The wheels were like about 1,500, and you could pay up front, or they have I think they have like 2 services where you could make payments. I opted to go with Catapult, and they charge you for mine it came up to like about 280 a month, and you have up to 90 days to pay it off without any type of interest. So very flexible system. The wheels came on time. They don't have necessarily the best customer service, but most of these wheel companies don't, because essentially most of these companies, they don't really have the wheels in stock. When you place the order, they got to put the order in with the manufacturer, and then the wheels get sent to them, and you know they do whatever and put it together. But it is what it is. All right, so let's go ahead and get this installed in. All right, so here are the new wheels. Looking really nice. The color is hyper black, so it looks like gunmetal gray. Looks really good. And these are the front ones, and then the rear ones are bigger, so it's staggered.
Hey.
All right, guys, so got the first one on. Ooh, them things look sweet. Yes, sir. Woo. All right, so got the driver's side done. Kind of ran into a little bit of problem. The jack I had before was kind of weak, not working properly, so I had to go get another jack. But these things look nice. Woo! Now the calipers really pop out. Yeah, lovely. Love the color. And that's the back right there. All right, so that's it. Just got the last one on. And we are ready to roll. Woo. Yes, sir. That's all she wrote.